Guys, so in this video I'll show you how to import demo content from any theme to your WordPress website. I'll be using Flux theme here. So head over to install plugins and install all the necessary plugins required for your theme. I'll click on install and then apply. All the themes recommended by the theme will be installed. So let them install one by one, and I'll be skipping this part of the video so you don't waste your time here. Let me just skip this part. Okay, so all the themes, all the plugins are installed. Now head over to Flux, which will be appeared under appearance. Now you can click on run importer. Oh sorry, I just have to install one more plugin which is known as Flux core elements. So let me install. Actually I didn't have activated these plugins, so let me activate. It will be done automatically right now, so let them activate. I'll skip this part as well. So remember, you have to activate all the plugins. Okay, so I'll skip this part. And now I have activated all the plugins. Now I'll head over to Flux, or you can head over to any of your theme. Then you can run importer, and so I'll be installing a demo, right, which is named as diet chart, so diet coach. So let me import this. Okay, so first of all let me show you the preview of the website, how it will look after importing. So it will look exactly the similar like this website is opening. Let me show you the demo. So this is the demo and my website will exactly look like this. So now you can check my website is looking like this right now. Let me show you create so my website is not really looking good. So I'll now click on import. After clicking on import, I'll click on continue. Okay, install plugin. I don't know what kind of plugin is this, but the theme is asking for it, so you must also install all the plugins that the theme is asking for. So no, we don't need to remove watermarks. Skip. Now click on continue. Okay, so now it is in progress. So 21 elements will be installed. It will not take much time in importing, as HTML is simple. Images are also already downloaded with the theme, so it will not take much of your time. So I'll not be skipping this part of the video. Just see how the process works, and it is easy. And just please remember that you have to install all the plugins and activate them one by one, or you can do it by the bulk action already provided by default in the WordPress website. So it is already installing. It is a few seconds more and I'll show you how my website is looking like. You can also skip this part of the video. So I am just showing you this part because of educational purposes. So okay, so it is done. Now let me preview. Okay, it's loading. Just a second. Yes, it's loaded. Now you can see. Okay, so elements are loading. Still loading. Okay, fine. So it has been loaded now. You can see the website is exactly looking like the demo. So it is very easy, and this is one of the easiest tutorial you will ever see to import a demo content. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.